stop right there. Before you spend another dollar on expensive joint pain medications that barely work, I'm about to reveal a century-old secret that your grandmother probably knew, but the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to discover. This natural remedy has been healing aching joints for generations. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why it's more powerful than anything you'll find in a pharmacy. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn the exact natural formula that has helped thousands of people walk pain-free again, sleep through the night without waking up in agony, and regain the mobility they thought was lost forever. But here's the thing. This information is so valuable that I can only keep this video up for so long. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what I'm about to share with you. Picture this. It's 3 in the morning, and you're lying in bed, tossing and turning because your knees feel like they're on fire. Every movement sends shooting pain through your joints, and you're wondering if this is just how the rest of your life is going to be. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world are suffering in silence, believing that joint pain is just an inevitable part of getting older. But what if I told you that's a lie? What if I told you that there's a natural solution that's been hiding in plain sight for over 100 years? Let me tell you about my grandmother, Rosa. She lived to be 97 years old, and until the day she passed away, she could outwork people half her age. She would tend to her garden for hours, climb stairs without any help, and never once complained about joint pain. I always wondered what her secret was. When I was struggling with my own joint pain at just 45 years old, pain so severe that I couldn't even open a jar without wincing, I remembered something. I remembered watching my grandmother prepare a special mixture every morning, something she called her joint juice. At the time, I thought it was just another one of her old-fashioned remedies that didn't really work. Boy, was I wrong. After months of expensive doctor visits, prescription medications that made me feel worse, and physical therapy that provided only temporary relief, I was desperate. That's when I decided to dig deeper into my grandmother's old recipes. What I discovered changed everything. This wasn't just some folk remedy passed down through generations. This was a scientifically backed formula that addresses the root cause of joint pain, not just the symptoms. The secret lies in 3 specific natural ingredients that work together to reduce inflammation, rebuild cartilage, and restore mobility. Before I reveal these 3 life-changing ingredients, make sure you've subscribed to this channel and hit that bell icon. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives using this information, and I want to make sure you don't miss out on any of our health secrets. Trust me, your future pain-free self will thank you for hitting that subscribe button right now. Here's what most people don't understand about joint pain. It's not just about age or wear and tear. The real culprit is chronic inflammation that builds up in your joints over time, combined with the gradual breakdown of cartilage that acts as a cushion between your bones. Traditional pain medications only mask the pain temporarily, but they never address the underlying inflammation and cartilage damage. My grandmother's secret formula works differently. It targets inflammation at the cellular level while providing your body with the exact nutrients it needs to rebuild and repair damaged cartilage. It's like giving your joints a complete renovation from the inside out. The first ingredient is something you probably have in your kitchen right now, but you've never thought of it as medicine. This golden spice has been used for thousands of years and contains powerful compounds that reduce inflammation more effectively than many prescription drugs, without any of the dangerous side effects. That golden spice is turmeric. This powerful root contains curcumin, a compound that studies show can reduce joint inflammation by up to 60% in just 8 weeks. The second ingredient comes from the ocean and contains the building blocks your body needs to create new, healthy cartilage. It's nature's way of rebuilding what time and inflammation have worn away. This second ingredient is fish oil, specifically omega-3 fatty acids from deep ocean fish. These essential fats not only provide the building blocks for new cartilage, but also actively reduce the inflammatory response that's destroying your joints. The third ingredient is what ties everything together: a natural catalyst that helps your body absorb and utilize these healing compounds at maximum efficiency. Without this crucial component, the other ingredients would be only half as effective. This third ingredient is black pepper extract, specifically piperine. Here's what might surprise you. Without piperine, your body can only absorb about 3% of turmeric's healing compounds. But when you add just a pinch of black pepper extract, absorption increases by over 2,000%. When you combine these 3 ingredients in the exact proportions my grandmother used, something magical happens. She would use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1,000 milligrams of high-quality fish oil, and just a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, mixed in warm water every morning on an empty stomach. The inflammation that's been torturing your joints begins to subside within days. The stiffness that makes getting out of bed feel like climbing Mount Everest starts to fade. And slowly but surely, you begin to move with the grace and comfort you thought you'd lost forever. Here's the amazing part. Unlike expensive medications that can cost hundreds of dollars a month and come with a long list of side effects, these 3 ingredients cost less than a daily cup of coffee and are completely natural and safe. I know what you might be thinking. If this remedy is so effective, why isn't everyone using it? Why aren't doctors prescribing it? The answer is simple but frustrating. There's no money in natural remedies that can't be patented. Pharmaceutical companies can't profit from ingredients that grow in nature and have been used for centuries. But just because something is natural and inexpensive doesn't mean it's not powerful. In fact, some of the most effective treatments in the world come straight from nature. We've just been conditioned to believe that if it doesn't come from a laboratory and cost a fortune, it can't possibly work. Here's something most people don't realize. Joint damage is progressive. Every day you wait, every morning you wake up in pain without taking action, your joints are deteriorating a little bit more. The inflammation is spreading, the cartilage is breaking down further, and the window for natural healing is getting smaller. But the good news is that it's not too late. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right tools. Even if you've been suffering for years, even if doctors have told you that surgery is your only option, this natural approach can still work for you. If you're finding this information valuable, and I know you are because you're still watching, please take a second to hit that like button. It helps more people discover these life-changing health secrets, and it lets me know that you want to see more content like this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We're building a community of people who refuse to accept pain as a normal part of life. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and for the first time in months or even years, you don't immediately notice pain when you move. Imagine being able to play with your grandchildren, go for long walks, or simply get through your day without constantly thinking about your joints. This isn't a fantasy. This is what happens when you give your body what it needs to heal itself naturally. Within the first week of using my grandmother's formula, most people notice a significant reduction in morning stiffness. By the second week, the constant ache that follows them throughout the day begins to fade. And by the 4th week, many people report feeling better than they have in years. This natural remedy isn't just about eliminating joint pain, it's about reclaiming your life. It's about not having to plan your activities around your pain levels. It's about sleeping through the night without waking up because you accidentally moved the wrong way. It's about feeling confident in your body again and knowing that your best days aren't behind you. When you address joint pain naturally, you're not just treating a symptom, you're giving your entire body the tools it needs to function optimally. Many people report increased energy, better sleep, improved mood, and an overall sense of vitality that they hadn't felt in years. Your journey to pain-free living starts with a single decision. The decision to try something different, something natural, something that has been proven to work for over a century. Don't let another day go by wondering, what if? Don't let another night pass where pain robs you of the rest you deserve. If this video has opened your eyes to the possibility of natural healing, I need you to do 3 things right now. First, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest health discoveries. Second, give this video a thumbs up to help us reach more people who are suffering unnecessarily. And third, share this video with someone you care about who might be struggling with joint pain. You could literally change their life. Remember, your grandmother's generation knew secrets about natural healing that we've forgotten in our rush to embrace modern medicine. But those secrets are still there, waiting to be rediscovered. Today, you've taken the first step on your journey back to pain-free living. Tomorrow, you can take the next step by putting this knowledge into action. Your joints have been crying out for help, and now you know how to answer that call. The power to heal is in your hands. Use it wisely, use it quickly, and prepare to be amazed by what your body can do when you give it exactly what it needs. Don't wait another moment. Your pain-free future starts right now. Thanks for watching this far. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.